Hello everybody! Today we're gonna draw a mommy shark! We are going to first draw the little nose of the mommy shark. Now we are gonna make a longer line. Continue making a longer line downwards. Then we're gonna make the little tail with a curve. Go down. And go up with another little curve. And then we're gonna feel what is the middle of the mommy shark. And you're gonna make a baby thing. And join these both with a line. Now we are gonna make a mouth. Do a line this way, a line the other way, and we are going to join this line with this dot. And we have another curved line here for the tummy, and this line goes here. Now we're gonna make our cutie eye for our mommy shark. There you go, fill it in. Great! Now you can do a little nose. And we can do a little mouth for the mommy. Great! Also, we can do some cutie eyelashes because it's mommy shark. Like so. And you can feel right here in this space, you can do the other thing. Great! Now it's time to make the shark with a thicker line. Go all around. And now fun time to paint the mommy shark. We're gonna paint it with pink because it's a mommy shark. We're having so much fun painting this mommy shark. Let's sing together. Now we can paint the lips of the mommy red. Great! Now we can paint the tummy with white paint. And then one of the most fun times, sparkling time. This is a pink sparkle, so we're gonna spread it all on the jar. Mommy shark, really magical. Sparkly and shiny. For the whites, I'm gonna use silver. Spread it out to make mommy really shiny. We have a sparkle also for the mouth. Bravo! Wow, that was so much fun making art with you. And don't forget to click subscribe and like so you never miss another adventure. Ciao, ciao!